Any computer owner can benefit from a good set of powered speakers, whether it's for listening to music, watching videos, playing games, or producing audio content. If you're looking for the best speakers in the $200 price range, the Pioneer DJD M50 DMT is our top pick. They deliver incredible sound quality in a compact, desktop-friendly size and are easy to set up and control. The Pioneer DJD M50 DMT speakers stand out because of their clarity. Voices and acoustic instruments sound better than on most competing systems in this range. They feature 2 sound modes, 3 types of analog audio inputs, and a volume/power knob on the front for easy access. Plus, they come with built-in Bluetooth connectivity and signal sensing inputs, making them compatible with smart devices like the Amazon Echo Dot. For those on a budget, the Creative Pebble Pro speakers are an excellent choice under $100. They may be small with 2.25-inch drivers, but they deliver clear and full sound compared to other speakers at this price. The grapefruit-sized speakers fit well on a dorm desk, and they come with a 3.5mm analog input, Bluetooth support, and both headphone and microphone jacks, all conveniently placed on the front. If you need professional sound quality for audio production but have a modest budget, the JBL Professional 305 PMKI is a solid choice. These speakers produce clearer sound than any of the lower price options we tested. Bass and treble tuning switches allow for precise adjustments based on your setup. However, they are larger than most desktop speakers, lack front panel controls and Bluetooth, and require 1/4-inch or XLR connections, meaning you may need adapters to connect them to a computer. For those who want a smaller alternative to the Pioneer DJD M50 DBT, the PreSonus Aorus 3.5 BT Gen 2 speakers are a great option. They deliver sound quality that comes close to our top pick, though with slightly less bass and some distortion at high volumes. These speakers include Bluetooth, a front-mounted volume control, a headphone jack, and an auxiliary input. They also offer 1/4-inch and RCA analog inputs on the back for versatility. If you love bass-heavy music, play games, or watch movies at your desk, the Creative Pebble X Plus speakers with a dedicated subwoofer will be a game changer. These are larger versions of the budget-friendly Pebble Pro, but can play louder with less distortion. The small but powerful subwoofer delivers surprisingly strong bass without taking up much space under your desk. This set also includes Bluetooth, USB, and 3.5mm analog inputs, plus front-mounted controls and built-in multicolor LED lighting. No matter your needs or budget, there's a great set of computer speakers out there for you. Whether you want top-tier sound with the Pioneer DJD M50 DMT, a budget-friendly option like the Creative Pebble Pro, a professional-grade monitor like the JBL 35 PMKI, a compact yet powerful choice like the Creative Pebble X Plus, you can find the perfect match for your set. Upgrade your audio experience today.